Now, if you're using video to promote your business, you've got to start doing a little bit of work to turn a viewer into a customer so they start throwing money your way. And you can do that with a call to action. So in this video, I'm going to explain what a call to action is, why you need one, and how you can make it work. Now, a call to action is basically a fancy bit of marketing terminology for that little bit of content which calls out to your audience and asks them to take action in a certain way. And it works really well on video. Let me just explain it in another way. Let's just say you're walking down a high street, you go past a shop window, and there's, I don't know, a pair of trousers in the window you quite fancy, you go over and you take a look. Pretty much that's the equivalent of you bumping into my video on YouTube, pressing play and watching the video. But in order to nurture that relationship and take it on a little bit further, or to get someone through the door of your shop, you've got to do something else, and that's where a call to action comes in handy. So let's just go back to the shop window again. If you've got a sign up in your window that says 25% off everything today, or as many custard creams as you can eat, and by the way, if you're going to do that in your shop window, I'm coming in, they're specific calls to action which are more likely to entice that person looking in the window into your shop. And you can be really broad with your call to action. You can put things in like follow me or like my video or those kind of things, and they're fine, but they're a bit flimsy really. That's a bit like you standing outside your shop and just asking people to come in for a look around. Some people might do it, but other people would be like, well, why? What have you got inside that I need to see? So that's why a specific call to action really works. Now, I've written a blog about this on my website, which gives you a lot more information about specific calls to action and some examples too. If you go to my website, you'll find it there. And do you see what I did there? I gave you an example of a specific call to action. I'm inviting you onto my website, so into my shop, to find out more information on the video that you're already watching and are interested in because you've got to the end of the video. So that's what a call to action, how a call to action works. And you can see more examples on my website. Go and have a look. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.